Glove box door is in a pretty bad shape. I cannot even close it. This latch is broken and everything. So it's time for this thing to go. So to replace it, on the bottom there's 2 Phillips screws on each side. Let's try to show you. Let's see. If I can show you. Anyways, it's difficult for me to show you right now, but these are the mounts 1 and 2, and underneath there's 2 Phillips screws on each side holding this glove box door in place. So I'm gonna loosen them up, remove this one, install a new glove box door. Okay, old glove box door is out. And for easier access to bolts, you can remove this panel, but I just loosened it up from the top to gain access. And these are the location of those screws. Okay, I'm gonna be installing this guy. This is my old one, and yeah, this is a blue color because this is from a. So this came from a different car, from also 123 that had a blue interior. I don't know if you remember the video where I went to Indiana. And there was the 123 that I removed this from. If you don't remember, the link is going to be in the description. Yeah, so I'm going to install this one now. So the glove box door is installed. I'm going to open it. Here you go. And this one's pretty nice, you know. It even has this original sticker, basically saying, you know, Mercedes roadside assistance. And installed basically. And the only thing that I didn't show you is these things, because they were broken in the old one. So what you have to do is you have to pry them out and then put them in, and use some PV blaster to help you push them in. So it's gonna be a challenge, but it's possible to get it done. This is the final product. Everything works really good. No issues with the glove box. I'm pretty happy.